Hello, my name is Kannan Moudgalya. I am a professor at IIT Bombay. I will now explain how we implement ICT training at CSE through spoken tutorials. Spoken tutorial is a 10-minute long audio-video tutorial created for self-learning, dubbed in our languages, usable offline, available at CSE Academy centers, which is explained in another tutorial. Spoken tutorials are available on Introduction to Computers, Internet Browser Firefox, how to write emails through Gmail, and 10-finger typing. Office, writing documents, creating spreadsheets, preparing beautiful presentations through LibreOffice, an alternative to MS Office. We also have spoken tutorials on programming, C, Java, Python, Linux, C++, and so on. For advanced programmers, Drupal, Django, Perl, Ruby. For simulation users, Scilab, OpenFOAM, OpenModelica, DWSim. Spoken tutorials are available on all these topics. For graphic artists, for example, Blender 3D animation, Synfig Studio for 2D animation, Inkscape, GIMP. For chemistry lovers, JMOL, Chem Collective Virtual Labs, PhET simulation for chemistry, and Avogadro, and GChemPaint. For biology, Cell Designer, BioPython, UCSF Chimera. For physics, XPICE, Apps on Physics, PhET simulation for physics. Mathematics, GeoGebra, Grace, GNUplot, and PhET simulation for mathematics. For accounting, front accounting. Spoken tutorials are available on all these topics. And many more topics are there. There are 75 different courses, and this number is increasing. What resources are available for each spoken tutorial? We have videos, assignments, additional learning material, tests, discussions, user examples, reviews, ratings, automated emails, and so on. We have scripts for all of this, first language, script, and so on, for all Indian languages. You collect all these tutorials together, you get the whole topic. Spoken tutorials are very popular in colleges and schools. 70 lakh students have been trained in the past 7 to 8 years, and 2 lakh teachers also have been trained. What is the eligibility criterion to do spoken tutorials? Anyone at the correct maturity level can learn from spoken tutorials. For example, 6th grade students can easily learn Office. They have the appropriate maturity. Similarly, 9th grade students can learn programming, etc. because spoken tutorials are created for self-learning. We also conduct job fairs. We collect high performers in the spoken tutorial online tests and conduct job fairs for them. For example, we organized one job fair with NASSCOM. 10 companies participated. 30 students out of the 40 received 2 jobs each.
I am Mayur Agmode from Pune Vidyarthi Graj College of Engineering. I am currently in the final year of computer engineering. There are not companies coming to our college, but I thank to Spoken Tutorial and NASSCOM for arranging such a beautiful mega job fair.
So that was a testimonial. In addition, it helps many more students. For example, companies may not visit rural areas for job interviews. So these colleges have no campus placements. Their students, even good ones, suffer. It also helps small companies. Small companies also have difficulty in recruiting. Spoken tutorials can bring together job seekers and job providers. Here is a sample certificate given by the Spoken Tutorial project. You also see the logo of the CSE Academy. Teachers also get certificates. Teachers can also enhance their skills by learning through spoken tutorials. Do not miss this opportunity to learn at CSE Academy centers in your mother tongue, available in rural areas. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by the National Mission on Education through ICT, an initiative of the Ministry of Education, known earlier as MHRD. Thank you.